Earlier this morning, the Ledger Nano S Plus came in the mail. So what we're gonna do in this video is unbox the device. We're gonna show you what's inside. We're gonna show you what you can expect if you're looking to pick up a Ledger Nano S Plus. Now remember, there are tons of other hardware wallets out there. I always recommend the Trezor Model T. You also have the EliPal Titan Mini and several others. I'm going to be doing a dedicated video in the course showing you the different hardware wallets that I own. I always recommend to pick up the highest quality hardware wallet you can. It depends on what you can afford at the end of the day. So let's see what we have inside. All right, so we also have a little bit of paperwork. We'll leave that off to the side. And here is our Ledger Nano S Plus. I must say the packaging is very nice. The box kind of feels like an Apple product, so I assume the unboxing experience is going to be really nice. Again, this is going to be the best way to protect your cryptos and NFTs. So you can have fungible, which are your Bitcoin, Cardano, Ethereum tokens, and then you will also be able to protect your NFTs, which are your JPEG images that are represented with the unique asset ID number. And of course, this will be the best way to protect your assets. We have other videos in this course explaining how that works. And of course, we are going to set this up and use this device quite a bit. So we're going to use my keys here, and we're just going to get this box open. And again, the packaging is very nice, very, very nice. And always make sure that when you are picking up a hardware wallet, that you go to the specific website. We have links for you in the workbook. Make sure you are on the right website. There are fakes out there that are waiting for you to click on their website and order a device that has been tampered with. And if there's anything suspicious, I will be able to tell. And if we lift the lid, we can see our beautiful Ledger hardware wallet. So we also have a secret recovery sheet, and this could be used for writing down your recovery seed phrase, and the device looks amazing. Definitely a huge upgrade from the older model. Not so much in the aesthetics. However, I will say that it is definitely feeling a little bit different. The button feels a little bit different as well. So on my keys, I have the Hold S, and I believe the screen is a little bit different as well. So we definitely have an upgrade on the screen. The buttons feel a little bit better. The main benefit to the S Plus is that we can add more than 3 assets. So what you're going to do, and we will show you step by step, is how to use the Ledger Live, and you'll be able to add Cardano, Bitcoin, and so on. So they offer quite a few tokens. You can also go to ledger.com/start. That's where we're going to go to get things started. And we're just going to continue to unbox here a little bit. So your secret recovery sheet, I think that looks pretty great. And I do like the packaging a lot. It is very nice. So usually you get 2 of these. Yeah, so we've got, I believe, 3 of these. One feels a little bit thicker than the other. But what you have in here, and of course we have it for you in the workbook, is a nice spot for you to store your mnemonic seed phrase. Again, if you ever lose this device, what you can do is purchase another one and plug in your 24 or 12 words, and you will gain access to your crypto again. So this is very important. We're going to set this off to the side. That's one of the most important aspects to this. And there's not really too much else in here. Maybe there's a sticker or something. So again, ledger.com/start. And you've got a bunch of stickers, so that's quite nice. Perhaps I will set that up. But again, in terms of security, you may not want to flash that you have a Ledger, especially if you were to put a sticker on your laptop. We've also got a get started manual. You will not need this, as we will be able to show you step by step how to do this in the course. So with that being said, this is our device. I can't wait to get things started. I think this looks beautiful. And if you're on a budget, I know it's still around $100 Canadian, roughly $80 to $90 USD. However, this is going to protect your assets as it acts as an intermediary. Also, just a quick comparison to the Trezor Model T. You can see the differences right here. This is great for a keychain. However, with the Trezor, it is a touchscreen, whereas with the Ledger Nano S Plus, you have these buttons. I do know it's a little bit more finicky. However, I do like this design. I think this device is going to work out quite well. So just to give you an idea, you also have a different cable there, and perhaps we have a cable inside as well. So we do have a little cable in here as well. The packaging is very nice, I must say. So when you go to plug in your device, you're just going to do it like so. One thing I wanted to mention is that your mnemonic seed phrase, your recovery seed phrase, should be stored in a separate area than your ledger or your hardware wallet. It's very important, but at the end of the day, you do not want somebody to get access to this. So we also have other methods like backing up to metal and more. So with that being said, let's get into the setup video.